This is the elevator
Hub Speedway.
Hub Speedway on Tucson, Arizona. This is a Otis Gen2.
Wait, no, don't press the buttons.
This thing is locked, but I think we're going somewhere.
Let's just get out of it for.
Someone's taking this down. Lantern doesn't work. Anyways, here it goes, and that's it. But sorry for the short video, it's locked off. Call button is burned out.
No, it works.
It's just the sunlight. Yeah, it's faded.
Here it is.
Oh yeah, it is lit up. It's just very faint. Lanterns do not work.
All right, here we are. We're going down.
We're going down to 1. This is the elevator at Speedway in on the U of A campus here in Tucson. This is an Otis Gen2, capacity 3,500 pounds.
It's all locked.
All locked off.
So we have to hitch a ride.
Here we had to
Get a cab view real quick.
Let's get a cab view. Here we are on 1.
And let's get out.
Right. And lanterns do not work. Again, here's your Otis door equipment. Can't see up the shaft. It's Gen2 MRL. Otis Series M2. Otis Series M2. Here it goes, and here's an elevator intercom here. Push to talk. Anyways, as these are locked off, it's a nice little call button though. Anyways, here are some TVs. That's it.